The GMC Acadia's infotainment system, like any computer, can experience glitches. These range from minor freezes and audio dropouts to navigation errors and software corruption. Resetting the system is often the first and easiest solution. There are generally two types of resets, a soft reboot and a hard or factory reset. Recent GMC models from 2019 onward receive over-the-air updates and may benefit from the infotainment health check tool in the My GMC app, which can resolve many issues remotely. For 2024-2025 models, the system runs on a more stable Android-based platform. Always back up any personal data before performing any reset. A soft reboot is a quick restart that clears temporary glitches. To perform a soft reboot, hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This won't erase any data. A hard reset or factory reset erases all user data and restores the system to its default settings. For 2017-2020 models, you can typically find the factory reset option in the Settings menu under System. For 2021 plus Android-based systems, a factory reset is generally performed via the My GMC app or by a dealership to prevent misuse. If you're experiencing specific issues like audio failure or navigation problems, also check physical connections and ensure your system has the latest software updates. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual or contact a certified GMC dealer for model year specific instructions.